Welcome to new video. Today we are going to introduce infection control risk assessment means ICRA. Infection control risk assessment systematic process used in the healthcare settings. If any constructions, renovations and routine operations is due in your organization, you need to do ICRA because it ensures patient safety, staff safety and visitor safety by the proactive preventive healthcare associated infections. Some incidents do after that when you identify ICRA for the paintings, well covering replacement, electric trams works, minor plumbing, activity which don't have require cutting into wall, ceiling, floor other than the visual inspections. It's a mandatory in your organizations. You need to do all of information provide your management and use of ICRA. Why is ICRA is a requirement your organization? Because preventing airborne and contact transmission infection in your organization, because your hospital is a multiple department, you need to identify and implement that. First, identify high risk response populations and areas, that is the ICU, OT and CCU, and implements proper infection control barrier and practice its requirements. Next, you need to identify and use the standard of NABS, JCI, CDC, WHO and other local regulations which is requirement for the ICRA process. Next is, when is the ICRA performed? You need to identify where is the ICRA requirement. First of, during hospital constructions or renovations, if any particular modification do in your organizations, you need to perform ICRA. When introduce new services or procedure, if you want to scalable your organization, you need to perform ICRA. Next, response to outbreak or change in the infection trend. It's a mandatory in your organizations as per annual infection control planning. When you do any renovations and construction in your organization, first of you need to make a plan for the how to identify areas, how to isolate areas, because ICRA is the most important role play in your organizations reduce the infections. Next, common type of ICRA is present in your organizations. If first of you need to identify what is your project, renovations, construction, yeah, maintenance. After that, you need to patient risk group. There are three groups: low risk, medium risk, and high risk. Low risk is the office, yeah, administrations. Medium is the OPD, general ward, and high risk is the ICU, OT, emergency areas. Okay. Next, location risk. You need to identify based on ventilations, patient populations. Next are the potential hazard: dust, noise, farms, microbial spent water sanitations. Next is requirement controls. It's very important for your organization because you need to use the barriers, have a filter for isolations, negative and positive pressure in the department, PPE kit, air quality checklist for the daily basis. Next, interventions level. The level is a class 1 to 4. You need to work as per class and as per dust airborne risk control levels. Mitigation plans, infection control measures, engineering control and monitoring plans. Next, you need to identify what is the ICRA matrix. If you have no knowledge about the ICRA matrix, you need to use this graph. This graph is the most important role in your organizations. You need to identify low risk groups. Group type A, type B, type C, and type T. So medium risk group, because yeah, we have used many color here: green, red. Okay, you need to identify behalf on this. Next is the which area is a hospital. Actually, you have divided your areas in particular four areas. First is low risk, medium risk, high risk, and highest risk. First is low risk is the office areas. Medium risk is the cardiology, echocardiology, ecoscopy, yeah, endoscopy, nucleus medicines, physical therapy, radiology, MRI, respiratory therapy. High risk is CCU, emergency room, labor and delivery rooms, laboratories, yeah, specimens, medical unit, newborn nurseries, and outpatient surgery, pediatric, pharmacy, post anesthesia care unit, and surgical units. Next is most higher risk. Any area coming to immunocompromised patient, burn unit, cardiac cath labs, center style supplies, intensive care unit, negative pressure isolation rooms, oncology, operations room include C sections rooms. So this is the ICRA. You need to identify which department you are going to growth. After that you need to make a SOPs for the ICRA, and after that you need to make a checklist for ICRA for the purpose how to identify the risk assessment in the organization. Thank you for